Hey everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to be talking to you about what's inside the NYE Makeup Kit, and I'm also going to show you some basic stage makeup. Let's get started. So the NYE Makeup Kit I have is the Cream Makeup Kit, and this comes with a little bit of everything that you need inside. So opening it up, if you're first opening yours, it's going to look a lot more organized and put together than mine is because I've used it several times. So just to get started, it comes with 3 different foundations. It comes with a medium tone, which should be the color of your skin, and then it comes with a darker shade and then a lighter shade. So my skin tone is the medium shade, and then depending on what I'm doing, I can change the shades. It comes with a little color wheel, and that's for bruises, stuff like that. I have the cream color, and this is used for highlight. I have the dark, and this is used for contouring. We have powder blush. And then this is more cream highlight, and this is more of a tan, which is going to be used as kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? Concealer. So now we have a big poof. This is going to be for your powder. The powder. And all this is going to differ depending on your skin tone. You'll still have all the same things here. It'll just be different colors depending on what color you need. We have the little eye brush. Nose and scar wax. So this is for adding warts or anything else you'll need. Liquid latex. We have blood, which is really fun to work with. We have a powder brush, and then we have 2 other brushes. I use them for contouring and lips. We have another color wheel. This has your lip color in it, along with some more things for bruises. Hair color. Spirit gum remover and spirit gum. And that's used for sticking on the wax. Comes with Q-tips. 2 eyebrow pencils. 2 eyebrow pencils. A lip pencil. And then a stipple sponge. This is used for making beards, stuff like that. And that's everything we have inside the NYE Makeup Kit. So now I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to do basic stage makeup. Oh, and also it does come with sponges. I've used all my sponges already. It comes with about 6 sponges. So I just got some replacement sponges at Walmart. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you're going to wash your face. Make sure it's nice and clean. All the grease, anything that's on it is off. Put lotion on, primer. I'm out of primer today, so I didn't put any on. And then also, if you have it, you're going to want to put on some color corrector. If you have any need to cover up acne or any spots like that. And then I'm just going to put my hair up so it's out of the way. So I'm just going to take my medium color, and I'm also going to take a sponge. And then I'm just going to apply this foundation all over my face. Once you have a good coat on, then you're going to take your contouring color, and this for me is CS3 Character Shadow. And then I'm going to take my larger brush that came with the kit, and I'm just going to brush it in there. and you do want to be generous with it. You're just going to feel for your cheekbone and put it right underneath. And then you're going to feel for your jawline, and you're going to go right above your jawline. And it is going to look like you have a beard for a couple minutes, just until you shade it all together. My little pretend beard. And if you're used to, I'm definitely used to working with powder contour, and not as much of cream contour. So for me, it was a little hard to get adjusted to it. And now we're just going to put it on the sides of our nose, just to make a nice good contrast between the ridge. To do that, just make a little triangle. And then we're going to do our temples, which are right here. You should feel a little indent of a circle. Okay, there we go. Looks nice. Now you're going to take your white or your tan highlight. You can either clean off your brush that you used for the contour, or you can use a different brush. You're just going to put it on the ridge of your nose. Just like that. You're going to put it right above on your cheek line and right above your highlight or your contour, and make it nice and dark. Nice and thick line. And then we're going to put it under our eyes in a triangle. So the tan is used as highlight, and it's also can be also used as concealer. So if you don't have any color corrector, you can just take your tan color highlight and just put it on any spots that you don't want people to see. can also use white, but it's preferred to use tan just because that's more, it will match your skin tone more. So I'm just going to take the same sponge and I'm just going to shade it all together. You're going to want to start with the dark and then move into the light, but don't smear them together. Okay, now you're going to flip the sponge again. I like to use the same sponge for all three things, just so we don't have as much waste. And now you're going to do the same thing with the highlight. Okay, and there we go. It is quite hard to shade or to blend in the dark spots, but that's okay. It's gonna look weird now, but when you're on the stage, when you're far away from everybody, it's gonna look pretty good. So the next thing you want to do is add blush. So I'm just gonna take my blush brush that came with it and my blush. I'm just gonna tap it, tap it, tap it. You're gonna smile. And then you're going to rub little circles right along your smile line. Okay, there we go. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your big poof. You're going to want to take your powder. Just shake the powder onto the poof. You want to be kind of generous with it. See? You're going to roll it up like a taco. Rub it all together. Till it looks like that. You shouldn't really be able to see the powder. And then you're just going to take it and tap it on your face. Don't rub it. So the final touches, you can take your lip pencil and just line your lips. And then you just fill it in with the lip color, which will be this one right here. And I'm just going to use a Q-tip. just like that. Next, you're going to want to put eyeshadow on. The NYE Makeup Kit does not come with eyeshadow. I have my own. I'm using Beauty Runway. And then it doesn't come with mascara or eyeliner. So if you want those things, then you're going to have to get those separately. So I'm just going to use these 3 shades. I'm also going to do my eyebrows. And there you go. There's how to do basic stage makeup with the NYE Makeup Kit. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any suggestions of other things you want to see me do, please leave me a comment and let me know. Make sure to subscribe and watch out for other videos just like this. See you guys later.